Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna. And today is another day with satin enamel. And another pour. I'm gonna try and finish up these colors and move on to some bigger and better things. Whoops, sorry. It's quite interesting. Whoops. That was my Matisse Prussian blue. And now I have my Matisse Southern Ocean blue. Really a beautiful color. I get those little drops in there. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah. And here is this beautiful color that I had mixed in. That gorgeous purple I was telling you about. My two color arts, primary elements that I mixed together. And I'm going to finish this all up, all this purple. So I really love this. Use as much of this finishing as I can in here. And we have some Atelier Free Cobalt Turquoise Light. Then we have Cobalt Blue from Liquitex. cobalt blue U. And this is an absolutely stunning color. And my last, but certainly never the least, is my gold. Okay. So, let's see where this is going to take us. Here we go. springness, the lovely lightness in this. We have all these light colors here and then a little deeper as it gets into the bottom. Getting these little pearly effects in here. Like the way that's happening. Yeah, so let's shut this camera off and we'll let this sit for about half hour or so, and then we'll come back and see what we have. Hi everyone, and we're back, and I cannot believe the amount of reaction we got today. I did spread this quite thin when I tilted it, and I am so thrilled with the outcome of this painting. I'll take it down here to see. You can see the beautiful cells that I got over here. I love the springy colors here. The way that that primary elements, the purple, made that lavendery color, and how the Southern Ocean blue mixed in and made that little green in the middle. You know how I love my greens. Yeah, and we got that beautiful gold, but it didn't overtake it this time. Yeah, so by just putting little blots on and twirling it around, that really gave me a gorgeous painting here. I love this. It feels like I'm just sitting on the clouds. That's what this one is. Absolutely gorgeous. So I will take you in for a close-up, but in the meantime, if you can give me a thumbs up, I would appreciate it. And this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today. I'll put all my paints and all the recipes down below. And I hope you all have a great day and be safe out there. Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today. Bye-bye. So as I take you in for this close-up, I am totally in awe of what I'm seeing through the camera. Even the naked eye doesn't pick up how gorgeous and beautiful all of this is. In person, it really is a stunning piece. You have to get in there and look at all these little lines and every little cell, a cell within a cell, how the colors just are popping. It really, really is. It's a stunning piece, if I do say so myself. I love how all these little boulders, that's what I call them, I just love how they form. This is so beautiful. And that primary element and the Deco Art metallics really, really come through in this. Look at that green, how it just, beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I know this is a long close-up, but I just love every little bit of this. Look at that. Look at those lines. Look how absolutely beautiful that is. I really don't know what else to say. It's, I'm in awe. And I hope you are too. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Put all my recipes below. You saw exactly how I did it. Yeah, I'll turn this around and come up. Put it in there, and there it is. Hope you enjoyed it.